a concern about a particular opinion that has been circulated, how do you talk to your fellow justices? Are you walking down the hall and putting your feet up in Stephen Breyer's office the way you might do as colleagues at the Harvard Law School, or shooting emails, or is it different from that?
Well, often you write, and I think that makes a good deal of, write rather than talk. And I think that actually makes a good deal of sense, because especially if you're commenting on or criticizing a written piece of work, an opinion, it often takes a writing to explain exactly and precisely what you mean and why you think something needs to be fixed and how you would like it to be fixed. And the precision that you can get through a written memo is actually a good deal higher, I think, than if you just walked in and put your feet up and said, here's what I'm thinking about your opinion. So a lot of the communication that we have, once an opinion has come out, is in writing. People will say, I really hope to join you, but there's this aspect of the opinion that I don't quite agree with, and here's a way that would make me feel comfortable. And literally we send these memos. Somebody from each staff has a chambers aide whose job is to walk them around the building.
This is what I wondered. They are still being walked around the building.
They are still walked
right?
around the building, yeah. Email has not quite hit the United States Supreme Court, but okay.
I find that a little astonishing, right? Because at this point we have a set of lawyers, all of whom are interacting with colleagues by email.
I think part of it is like an attachment to tradition, but maybe part of it is just it encourages, there have been a lot of emails that I've sent, I don't know about you, where they push the send button and they think, what did I just do?
I try not to do that. Every once in a while.
So it does encourage a kind of deliberation, so like you do a memo, and then you write it, and then you look at it again when somebody brings it in for you to sign, and then, in the worst case scenario, you have a little bit of an opportunity to, as somebody walks out the door, to say, no, wait, stop! So that's part of the way we communicate. But I also am, different ones of us talk more or less. I'm a bit of a schmoozer. I enjoy it. I think I would be a little bit lonely if I didn't do it. So I do. I wander around, I talk to people, and sometimes it's about opinions, and sometimes it's just about, life. But I'll go into some, you said Steve Breyer. Yeah. Steve Breyer and I are on one end of the court, and the carpet might be getting worn between our two offices, that we often go back and forth and just sort of talk about things that strike us in cases.
That's reassuring in a way, I have to say.